Hi, welcome to the channel. My name's Josh. This is Benito's Food, and today we're cooking a sausage, bacon, egg muffin. Now it doesn't get much better than that for breakfast, so let's do this. So obviously this is from McDonald's. This is a McMuffin normally. This time I'm gonna make it a bit more luxurious, a bit more gooey, and a bit more dirty. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put 2 patties of sausage, bit of bacon, bit of cheese, and then the egg on top, making that a runny yolk, which you don't normally get with McDonald's. When you crack it, it just gives that lovely juicy sauce that you need running through the whole McMuffin. So what I need to do is first, I need to get the sausage ready, cut them out their skin, and then just mince them all up. For around 6 sausages, should make around 3 sausage patties, depending on how thick or thin you make them. So let's do that first. The perfect thing about this is that you can just personalise it yourself. You can use any sausages you want. And what we're going to do is first, just going to get some scissors and we're going to cut across the outside just to get rid of that skin. First, grab a bowl, get your skin underneath and cut across. It should be pretty easy. Once you've done that, take it out of its outside, and then that's what you should have. Just the sausage meat itself. And you just pop that into a bowl like that. Repeat that process until you've gone through all the sausages. Okay, so once all the sausages are out of their cases, all we need to do is add a tiny bit of oil, a little bit of salt, and then a little dash of pepper as well. And then using your hands, just get in there and mix it all together until you get one large ball of sausage. And that's all you're looking for really, it's just one clump of sausage. And then what we're going to do is now we're going to make the patties. Okay, so there's your sausage patties. There's about 6 there. So what we're going to do is now we're just going to put those onto the hob, and we're also going to start cooking the bacon as well. Okay, so as you got the sausages and the bacon on, what you want to do is next, you want to get the muffins, cut them in half, just like that. They're just standard English muffins, and what we're going to do is just going to put them under the grill until they're lightly browned on both sides. So there you have it, that's my double sausage, bacon, egg muffin. Now if you want to get the recipe for this, just go on my website, benitosfoods.com. I want to go and enjoy this muffin now, so I'll see you next time.